Hi, and welcome to Let's Bake and Cook Stuff. I'm Mary, and today I'm making a pasta dish with the BowTie Pasta and some arugula and spinach mixture and some tomatoes from our garden. We're going to get started right now. I'm going to put the heat on medium-high, 1/3 cup of olive oil. Okay, the oil's nice and hot. That was about 30 seconds or so. I'm going to add, this is about 1 medium onion, chopped up. Stir these onions up every once in a while just to let them know who's the boss. You don't want them sticking or burning. Just trying to soften them up. Okay, our onions have softened up nicely. Now it's time to add garlic. Lots and lots of garlic. This is 6 cloves, about 3 to 4 tablespoons. So now I'm going to season this up a little bit with some salt, a teaspoon or so, pepper, half a teaspoon or so, some Italian seasoning, another teaspoon, and red pepper flakes, optional. I'm going to put a pinch. Give this a stir. 4 cups of cherry tomatoes. Stir those in. Splash of white wine, maybe a tablespoon or 2. I'm really just trying to warm these tomatoes up. They will start breaking up, but we don't want to break them up too much. This is spinach and arugula mix. You could also just put spinach or just arugula, or if you just wanted to put a few basil leaves, just maybe just like a bunch of basil. Stir that in. To help wilt that a little bit, I have saved some of the pasta cooking water. You want to be careful when you're using the pasta water if you oversalted it. Just, you know, learning from me, I really oversalted my water one time and then put it in the sauce, and the sauce was completely ruined because it had way too much salt. So I'm just going to put a dash, but also I didn't oversalt this pasta water, so this should be okay. And that's just going to help wilt these greens a little bit. Okay, they wilted a bit. I'm going to add, this is a 12-ounce package of cooked BowTie pasta. You can use any kind of pasta you want. You could use long pasta, short pasta, whatever you got. Let me just give you a tip when you're making the BowTie pasta. If you overcook it, it turns from bow ties to little rectangles. So the little bow ties come untied. So you want to try to not overcook them. I did this at al dente was between 10 and 12 minutes, so I cut it off right at 10 minutes because I knew they were going to get a little bit more cooking in here. So now a little bit of parmesan. This is about a little over a cup. As you can see, this is a 1 measuring cup. I'm just going to sprinkle it over the top. Stir that in, and just like that, dinner is served. This with some tomato and some spinach. There's nothing about this I don't like. It took 10 minutes. Besides, you have to boil the pasta. That took 10 minutes. But you could boil the pasta and make this at the same time. Then you would be done in like 10 or 15 minutes, and you would have a delicious dinner, meatless Monday, or any day, or any night. This would make a great lunch. Thank you for joining me today. I appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing that. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I will see you next time. Thank you so much for joining me. You take care now. This is amazing. Oh my God. So good.